Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we're going to explore an amazing tool called naturalreader.com. If you're looking for a free and user-friendly text-to-speech software, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Natural Reader and its incredible features. So let us get started. First things first, let us talk about the different subscription plans offered by Natural Reader. They have options for personal use, educational use, and commercial use. But in this video, we're focusing on the free-to-use features, so no need to worry about any costs. For personal use, Natural Reader provides a fantastic range of voices to choose from. You can select the voice that suits your preferences and enjoy a more personalized reading experience. It's perfect for listening to documents, articles, ebooks, and even web pages. Natural Reader truly makes reading a breeze. Now, if you're a student or an educator, Natural Reader has got you covered with their educational use plan. With faster processing speed and longer document conversions, it's an invaluable tool for studying and research.
Prompt engineering.
You can have textbooks, study materials, and research papers read aloud,
Prompt
making your learning
engineering
journey
is both
much
an
more
AI
accessible
engineering
and
technique
efficient.
for refining large language
And for
models
our
with
commercial
specific
users,
prompts and
Natural
recommended
Reader
outputs,
offers the
and the
commercial
term for
use
the
plan.
process of refining input
This
to
plan
various
is tailored
generative
for
AI
businesses,
services to generate
organizations,
text
and
or
anyone
images.
needing text-to-speech
As
integration for
generative
commercial
AI tools
purposes.
improve, prompt
Create
engineering will
voiceovers for
also be
videos,
important in generating
audiobooks,
other kinds
e-learning
of content,
courses, and
including
more.
robotic process.
With Natural Reader, you can easily convert text into spoken words, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. So go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to explore naturalreader.com for yourself. You can create your free account easily with your email and enjoy the taste of the Natural Reader, free text-to-speech. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.